미연은 나도 들려라고 또 안.
자기가 이렇게는 이거 못 받아. 뭐 뭐죠 그렇죠.
가지고 그렇고 또 말이든 이슈가 되게
This is a fantastic experience. We are here today to a group of friends, 4 of us from Yakutsk and then me who's come here for a visit. I'm here to do a seminar. Michael Stranberga, 50 years old. I've been an explorer for 25 years and I've lived in Kolyma for about a year. For me coming here to see these event reindeer herders who we are going to travel with for 4 days is spectacular. Look at this. You know, it's few things today which can really make me feel this is worth living for, you know, after 25 years of pretty much experience far too much things. Coming here and seeing these reindeer herders working the way they've done for thousands of years, it's a profound, extraordinary feeling, and it's one of these things. If you feel like you've seen everything, you've done everything, you haven't, because this is the last thing to do. And we'll go with these reindeer herders now for 4 days, and it couldn't be better.
It's the same function. It's Asia.
Да, во семьях.
Вкусно. Круто бананы. Иди вот это.
Хорошая история, вот там оленеводов, там... Где-то сзади, Роман,
turvallisuudesta.
Todella muuhan sain.
Tää, mitä? Saat katsoa.
Полюс холода, Валенстада. Чтоб хорошо провели здесь свои дни. Желаю вам сибирского здоровья. Ага.
Well, this is the first morning now. It is said it's 50 below zero here, and we are getting ready to leave, as you can see. Packing up 25 reindeers who's going to carry all our equipment, carry the food, carry us, and we are heading out into the tundra. And 50 degrees, you know, but we come from the inside, so it's not too bad. We've slept in this balagan tonight. So we'll see. And this is a Yakut here who lives in Moscow. As you can see, we are settling up now, and this has been done for thousands of years. Some even say 5,000 years that they've been settling up, traveling over the tundra and the taiga like this. And they are still using natural materials. And it's midday now, so everything has heated up. We are probably, I don't know, maybe 35 or something. But this is such a historical thing to be able to travel like this. So you actually feel the taiga and the tundra in a different way, as you can see.
Mana? Bago nga ito.
Mana? Помогу, говорит.
And she said, the spirit of my father allowed me to help.
И говорит, идите туда.
Put it near your son.
И как она сказала, так и сделали. Все полностью.
Kotkan, Kolima, called Beresh. Yeah, Berezovska. Yes, yes. The extreme cold of Siberia makes many people fearful of coming here. But the thing is, the people are so warm. So no matter if you're freezing your butt off initially when you start traveling here, they are so warm. So you normally end up in a tent like this with a lot of heating. And it's not only the heating in itself, it's the warmth of the people. So Siberia and Yakutia is, in reality, one of the warmest places on earth. Well, when it comes to picking clothes for such an extraordinary trip, which incorporates a bit of coldness, you need to prepare yourself and dress as good as you possibly can. For example, right now I got like 3 long johns, I got like 3 thermal sweaters, I got 2 trousers, underwear, I got a Gore-Tex jacket plus a big down jacket. On my head I got a face cover so I can put it like this. And I got a really warm hat, and boots of course are extremely important. And I've been lucky, I haven't been too cold neither, but it's important that you prepare as good as you can. And if your own gear doesn't work, talk to the locals, and they have other clothes.
Last 2 days.
It's been an unforgettable experience. It's almost hard to find words. It's been a profound one on many levels. Fantastic.
Это подарок старшего брата твоему Евлею, младшему брату.
This is his gift to you for your anniversary.
Oh, what a gift. Best gift I could get. Oh, thank you so much.
Ayından kellebet iki konukta kırhıvaytkan beyler kıtağına kayan bolla. Главный герой Брафик yaşabı koran köyün bu. Молодец.
Siberia!